Caution: observe all precautions when removing and replacing components. Remove the base enclosure and disconnect the battery. Remove the subwoofer. Gently push out the locking bar on the audio USB board ZIF connector and remove the audio USB board ribbon cable. Important: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the audio USB board to the top cover. Lift the audio USB board up and place it in a static dissipative bag. Remove the audio USB board from its static dissipative bag. Tow the audio USB board under the security bracket and position it into the top cover over its alignment pins. Replace the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws to secure the audio USB board to the top cover. Insert the audio USB board ribbon cable into the ZIF connector on the system board and gently push in on the ZIF connector locking bar. Important: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Note: be sure to reconnect the battery.